Hello there. So I'm Amy McShull, and this video is going to be about if you're a new customer with Seint or if you're someone that's interested in Seint and wants to know more about what it is. It is different than your traditional makeup systems, especially in the foundation department. Seint is known for their 3D foundation, and what that is the makeup is a cream, and it comes in these small little metal tins, okay? These are customizable to each person, and you can put them in these magnetized compacts. It's amazing. So all of your makeup can go in one compact. So here I have one set up. I just want to show you. So if you're someone new and you're needing to set up your compact, I like to put my foundation on my first level if you have a compact that has more than one level. So as you can see here, I have my brightening highlight color, my main highlight color, and my contour. That's your 3D foundation, the thing that Seint is well known for. And it's actually the most amazing thing. I love cream makeup. I love how these blend together. It makes a huge difference. It gives you this really radiant glow, and it's customizable to you. So that's the thing that makes it amazing. And then if you do want to get into like a bronzer, that would be here. I have a lip and cheek in this one and an illuminator. These are all of the things that I use every single day. I love these. They're amazing, okay? And then if you have another one, you can put like eyeshadows or whatever else you want in there. The second thing I want to show you is how to apply your makeup the very first time, because this is different than traditional foundation. You're not going to layer it all on. You're going to put it on in steps. You're only going to put one layer of makeup on your face, okay? And I'm going to show you how to do that on this next video. So go ahead and watch there. I will guide you through it. Sorry, that's my bird. He likes to talk sometimes while I'm talking. And then if you have any questions, please feel free to message me or comment on this video. I want to help you figure it out. And then if you're someone that's new and you're interested, please reach out to me by commenting or messaging me. Or you can also, if you think you're ready to get color matched, I would love to help you get that done. You can go to the link in my bio and you can click on that and go get a personal color match from me. So again, thanks for watching my video. Next, I'm going to show you how to apply your makeup the very first time. Let's do makeup. Okay, I'm going to start with my buff brush, and I'm going to start with my lightest highlight color, placing it on the inner and outer corners of my eyes, above my cupid's bow, on my chin, center of forehead, and down my nose. Next, I'm going to go into my main highlight color, and I'm going to place that everywhere except for where I'm going to place my contour. And this is just going to even out my skin tone. Last, I'm going to go into the contour. I'm going to shape out my forehead and my cheekbones and my nose. You do not have to be perfect at this. Then I'm going to go under my bottom lip a little, and then I'm going to go back in with my brush and I'm going to buff it all out. I'm going to start with the lightest colors first, and I'm going to blend those by stippling and pressing, making sure I don't drag them all over my face, keeping them in the places where I placed them. And then finally, I'm going to go over my contour here in just a moment. And when I do that, I'm going to lightly just stipple over it, blending it with those lighter colors, but leaving it in its place. And then I'm going to do my forehead. Same thing, making sure to get that up to the hairline and then blending it in so you get that airbrushed finish. Don't forget your nose. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to place bronzer. I love, love, love bronzer. So I place that on the high points of my cheekbones, on the outer edges of my forehead, And sometimes I put a little bit on the end of my nose, just the places that you would get a natural suntan. Then I'm going to go in with my brush and put a little bit of illuminator on my high points of my cheekbone, down the center of my nose, and on my Cupid's bow. Last, I'm going to place a little bit of lip and cheek color there on my cheeks. And there you have it. That's a finished look. It's super natural, radiant, and glowing.